Kajingyo ya Skhim Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund nakasorkar jela kala penlong ya Malangkona Police Outpost kabadan hapo kasnong Malang Simnaguri hapo ka Motion Road Civil Subdivision jong ka West Khas Hill District bahkan yo sendan ni Ïing Ophis jong Lajong kabapaka kata Hadien katu kat Snem Bala wai ya ketika Ophis kam ka bathmai jong ka Malangkona Police Outpost layo ban wan play pajba no menta ka sngi ka arpoi terik jeliu do menteri rangba ka jela konrad ke sangma harangkat ka jing don lang rogu sembut menteri rangba ka jela ba preston tensong ka kong ida shisha nongrang IPS DGP ka Meghalaya bat kiwei ya ketika Ïing Ophis bathmai jong ka Malangkona Police Outpost lateh ka jinglot ka bakhat nyau pen san paulak tengka bat kene ka outpost kan kmi bat pek yaki khat khandai tli ki snong ka than Malangkona bat nakaliang jung ki paj ba nong shong snong ka te ka than kila no sniang ru haki babon ki benta ban penyeng ye ka te ka outpost ha kene ka sngi la sakhiru da ka jing don lang URG moment MLA garam brajar ngam constituency ki he police officer ka jilla superintendent of police ka West Khas Hill district ba Bikram di Marak deputy commissioner ka West Khas Hill district ba Garot Alexandrites ki paj ba bat kiwei ki bala sha khot ngobha bat kala don ru ka jing thung ding ha phlau jong te ka outpost Hadien Bala wai ka te ka jingalang.
As we all know, it is the border of our neighboring state Assam, and it falls under the Motion Road Police Station. The outpost started operating on 12 September 2019 in an Assam type house that belongs to the Malangkona Cooperative Society. Lately, the populace of Malangkona decides to donate a plot of land to the outpost at which this building or this infrastructure is standing today under PIIRF scheme, and thus becoming the Malangkona Police Outpost proper. Initially, the outpost functions with only one UBSI, one UB constable and one section of armed personnel, but now we have total 29 personnel that includes 2 UB sub-inspectors, 2 head constables, 3 UB constables, 1 MPRO operator, and the rest being the armed personnel. These 19 villages falls under the jurisdiction of outpost as per the original notification. However, the outpost also looks after the well-being of many other villages which falls under area of difference. Malangkona outpost is bounded by Kamrup district of Assam in the north, Riangdo police station in the east, Shalang police station in the south, and North Garo Hills in the west. The adjoining police stations in Assam are Boko and Dubdura.
But I was very happy when Vikram came to me and asked me to please attend this inauguration. When I came here, I was even more happy when I saw the kind of infrastructure that had come up. It is a testament to the teamwork between the district police and the district administration. So, I'm sure that with this example of Malangkona OP, you would give us even more under the PIRF scheme. I'd like to thank the place on record my thanks also to both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of police for giving us the support and for starting this PIRF scheme, which has been a long felt need in the police department.
So we are here, as I've said to you, to serve the people of the state, and as the government, we are committed and we are here before you, and also to assure the people of the state that from now on we will leave no stone unturned as far as developmental activities is concerned.
It's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And the message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many, many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very, very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state, that we are committed to ensure that we will build up the infrastructure and provide the manpower that is necessary to ensure that the safety of our people is always there.